Hey guys, Andy here, and today I'm going to teach you how to add text behind objects in Adobe Premiere Pro. And so what you'll do is just copy the video file and put it above the text. And so from here, go to opacity and create an elliptical mask. And what we'll do here is we're going to center the mask around her head because that's where the text is going to be. And then we're just going to shape it to her head. And so now that you have your mask ready, we'll go ahead and track the mask forward one frame at a time. I've learned through experience that if I just track the mask forward, sometimes the mask loses track or the head changes position and you have to redo the mask and it's a big mess. So now that you have the mask formed, we'll track it forward one frame at a time. And so keep in mind, it can be a bit of a tedious process to go frame by frame and adjust the mask accordingly, but it is the best way to do it. And so now that we finally finished tracking the mask, let's go ahead and look at our sequence. And it's just that easy. So yeah, that's how you can add text behind objects in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like this tutorial, be sure to give a like and subscribe for more tutorials. And if you have a question about Adobe Premiere Pro, be sure to leave it in the comments down below and your question could be the next tutorial. This is the Andy-san, signing off for now. And as always, we'll see you next time. Bye guys.